I had a lot of other jobs before, factory and stuff like that, which is good jobs and stuff, but I was looking more of like getting out there and actually, going different places. I got bored of being at the same spot every single day. So this is my first time at Rainbow in water restoration, my first job period. Work is effortless. The people, it's easy to be around. So like I said, the fastest you get into Rainbow, the fastest you'll meet your goal. There's plenty of things for you to do, and there's plenty of stuff for you to learn here, and you don't have to be, here a long time or anything like that. You can come straight through the door and get certified for something. It's more of the family atmosphere for me that did it for me, that, all right, this is what I want to do. But when you're here, you go make sure you're comfortable, you get your job done, and everybody makes mistakes, everybody's a person. So, just, put your best foot forward, and there you go. You shouldn't have a problem.